Go on in and see what you think.
Okay.
Oh, this is sweet.
You know, I bet this home was built in the 40s.
For sure.
And you know what I like is when you look at the floor, you can tell how solid the home is because you don't see any sloping.
This space goes directly into the dining room.
Which, take note, the archway.
Right? Very typical for that era. This is, not a big area, but definitely big enough, for like a round table.
Actually, it's plenty room for a nice big dining room table.
Well, I wouldn't say a big dining room table, but a nice round one, sure. And then this must be...
Basement?
No. Okay, upstairs.
Okay, let's go.
Do it. Oh, hey, this is big.
Nice space.
Wow.
Oh, look, there's even more space.
Oh, this is great, and the ceilings are high.
Yeah, that's what I appreciate. I'm always smacking my head.
This is a total plus.
Yeah.
That's the value.
Shall we explore more?
Totally. Yep, I would say master bedroom if I lived here, right?
Yeah, I would. Check out the kitchen.
Yep, this is nice. It's probably remodeled years ago.
For a house this size, this is the size kitchen you're gonna have, but at the same time, you still have plenty of counter space.
And you have high-end appliances, KitchenAid. And I actually know what this granite is. That's Ubatuba.
Oh, well, I know you know your Ubatuba granite.
I do know my Ubatuba. It's a very popular granite.
But you also have this great backyard too.
I go
Enjoy
out
nice-
there and crack some crabs.
Yeah,
It's
enjoy
perfect.
the breeze.
That's what Maryland is all about, right?
All right.
Bedroom number 2. Nice space.
Nice size.
Big windows.
I love the windows.
Me too. Into a Jack and Jill.
Oh, you know what I love about this bathroom? Is that you can tell they've updated it, but at the same time, they kept the original bathtub, which is cast iron.
Well, it's a good melding of old and new.
Yeah, I love when builders do that.
Yeah, and that subway tile fits in
It
this
works.
bathroom.
So this must be the 3rd bedroom.
Bedroom number 3. I mean, it's basically the same bedroom as the one on the back. Nice big windows.
Yep.
Good space.
Oh, and you know what? I bet these are the original door handles.
I'll betcha.
And look, skeleton key.
Oh my gosh, very cute. So this is a hallway closet. Nice. But
Yes, it's a hallway closet.
Living room has a huge walk-in closet. So, you know what I would do?
What would you do?
If I lived here, I would bump out that wall and make this into a half bath.
Oh,
It would
that's
be-
a smart idea.
Yeah, that way, and then
okay.
seal that off. It's perfect.
I don't like to give you that much credit, but that is a great idea.
Okay, one more floor, the basement.
Oh, this is a nice additional space.
Yep, TV room, right?
Yeah, great rec room. All right.
This is an interesting space.
Yeah, I mean, they're using it for storage, which I think is a great idea.
Yep.
But look, there's another full bathroom right here.
There we go, with a window. And we're still on the hunt for
Closet?
bedroom number 4.
Oh,
No,
I forgot we're missing a bedroom.
this
yet.
has got to be bedroom number 4.
Oh, it's a good-sized bedroom.
Yep, and window.
Yep, it lets in a lot of light for a basement.
Well, that concludes our tour.
Hey.
Hi.
Hey, Anna, what a great way to start the day in Tacoma Park.
So 4-bedroom, 2-bath. It's over 1,900 square feet on 3 levels. What's special and unique about this one compared to other homes is you have a detached garage.
Yeah.
You have a lot of outdoor space in the front and in the back. You see the amazing curb appeal. And then it's move-in ready.
I'm gonna come in at a listing price of $550,000.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
My price,
Yeah.
Anna, is $499,999.
Is that what you thought I was gonna
I
get?
thought that's exactly what you were going to say. That I was totally.
Oh, that's funny.
Okay.
I guess, well, you just don't know me as
I
well
guess
as you
I don't
thought.
know you as well as I thought I did.
So,
This house is listed for $569,900.
Way off.
Yeah.
Oh, Tacoma Park, why? No.
I told you it was hard to price a home here.
I love Tacoma
Yeah.
Park.